Introducing the next generation in dual camera technology from Teledyne FLIR, the expanded Hadron 640 series. Equipped with a 64-megapixel visible camera and industry-leading thermal sensitivity, new models feature the high-performance Boson Plus to see through darkness, smoke, and glare. Swap optimized for integration into unmanned systems and AI applications, the Hadron 640 series integrates effortlessly with UAS, UGV, and robotic platforms. Take integration to the next level with FLIR's patented MSX technology and Prism AI to undergo detection, tracking, classification, and more. Reduce development cost and time to market with plug-and-play development kits designed for market-leading processors. Combine thermal and visible imaging like never before.